What fuck? What fuck? Oh, welcome, what fuck? On another what fuck? Adventure. Remember, here's our fucking first guest. Bobby.
Ah, wait, that name. No,
Because that name,
that
that name is Boss.
Nah,
I don't know what's your problem.
so sad.
Oh, where?
That guy.
He's that guy, I guess.
What do you look like?
Bear in mind,
tell me,
like,
pull up
this
this good
is
time.
gonna be edited out, you know.
I'm just going with the
Like,
flow.
fuck what they doing, you know.
You acting.
Yeah. Not fun. This is like a vlog.
Why are you acting? Why did you record that?
Yeah.
Oh, going. Yeah.
By the way, so what the fuck? This man is our first fucking guest, yeah. What the fuck? As we always say, Jurassic World in the background.
It's wild out here, man. You don't know what's going on in this wilderness.
What the fuck?
Fucking crusaders out here, man. Where you see that shit?
Well, I don't know who this guy is, but we're supposed to have Bohumi here.
This is a vlog, man.
This is a vlog. No, what the fuck is on a
We decide like as you watch that shit,
Be yourself.
you fucking see it's a vlog. We didn't realize
until you saw it.
until we saw like. Nah.
What?
I was like, I don't know, but my actions were like demonstrating. We saw like. Then I looked
What
at
did you
you like I was demonstrating. You know? Yeah,
No,
like
play that shit.
this guy.
Oh, man.
This other guy just started the recording.
Facade, man.
Nah, man, this is how we do it. We just go. I mean, I can't like what the fuck, you know. I can't what the fuck.
We just go.
Yeah,
Just go, man.
just we are fucking a leaf on a flowing river.
Let's edit that shit.
Nah. we had to move location
Yes.
because of the man.
Fuck the.
Okay. Away. Away.
Ooh, the flash.